What's good, Wealth Builders? It's the man, the myth, the wealth builder himself, back again with another video. So, it's been riding around thinking about things, right? And just thinking about like my level of success, how successful I am, where am I successful at in my life, where do I, what am I missing? Where can I be better at? Things like that. Where, what's going good for me right now? All that good stuff. Just having, a moment of self-reflection. So I was inspired to create this video for you guys. I want to talk to my people, man, my wealth builders, my people out there trying to grow, trying to be, better every day, trying to really get it out there, pushing for, their goals every day, and, want to do better for their family, want to do better for themselves, all that good stuff. The true, self-development, focused on being a better you people out there, man. I want to talk to you, man. Sometimes we go through stages when we are trying to grow and we don't get there fast as we think we should. Sometimes we don't get to the places we want to be in life fast as we think we should. And there's a few reasons why, right? There's a whole bunch of different reasons why. We can give ourselves excuses. We can pass the buck. We could say, hey, it's not my fault. It's the world's fault. It's somebody else's fault. And we can live in that, that thought process. Or we can take accountability for the things we haven't done, the things that we have done that's gotten us to this place, the mentality that we've had to get us to this place. And understand that it at the end of the day, it ends and begins with us, you, me, you know what I mean? Like, it begins and ends with you. What do I mean by that? I mean, basically, it starts with you and ends with you. Like, you just, there's nothing else to that, right? Like, you have a good day, 9 times out of 10, it's all on you. Having a bad day, it begins all on you. Because if you let someone else make your day bad or make your day good, if you depend on other people for a good or bad day, then you've kind of just, given all control to other people and you have no more control. You've given your control away. And who wants to do that? But I'm basically making this video because I want you to understand a few things, right? Number one, please realize that not everybody's gonna make it at the same time. Not everybody's gonna be successful at the same time. Not everybody's gonna be, rich at the same time. If that was the case, everybody would be rich, right? So you got to keep that in mind. Like, some people might get to be successful and reach their goals in the early part of their life, and then there's some people that become, millionaires and financially free and successful years later, deep into somewhere in their 40s. Because everyone is not going to be successful at the same time. It's impossible, right? That's just not how the world is built, is created. There is no way everyone else could be successful at the same time. So when you are looking at your life and, sad about something or sad about not getting to where you want to be, or sad about, you know, not having the success that you think you should at this time, sometimes you just gotta, you know, hurry up and wait. Or work while you wait, I should say. Work while you wait. Because you're not going to be successful if you don't put the work in. And it's obvious you're not going to be successful if you don't have patience. So you have to work while you wait. Right? You have to. You can't wait. And obviously working and not waiting doesn't sound even possible. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. And don't let the world get you down. Don't let what you see, like someone else's success, get you down. Get you feeling like you're not where you're supposed to be at this time of your life. Sometimes you are. Sometimes you aren't. Sometimes things are just, messed up, and you have no control over it as far as that part of it. But sometimes all you got to do is just control how you think about things and how you feel about things, and things will turn around. But I don't want you guys to get down on yourself if things aren't going your way.